Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply. We just finished installing our weatherguard adjustable shelf in the back of our RAM ProMaster City. This is a 36-inch wide shelf by 44 inches high, and this shelf here is about 13.5 inches deep. Now, the nice thing about the weatherguard shelves is you can mount a shelf so that it's flush on top like we did on this bottom shelf, or you can flip it upside down and have two lips on the front and back. They even include these little dividers to separate little compartments for parts, equipment, and things like that. This is a 3-shelf unit. You do have the option to buy additional shelves if you want to add one to this unit, but this works perfectly for the RAM ProMaster City. We're able to mount this bottom shelf high enough to clear the wheel well, and then still have a little bit of room between the ceiling and this top shelf, so we can still utilize that for storage space. The weatherguard adjustable shelves are powder coated white and what they call their bright white finish. It's basically the same color as the van. It almost feels like it fits in or came from the factory this way, so it's a nice aesthetic. Now, installation is pretty simple. It includes everything you need to assemble the shelf together, as well as all the hardware and brackets and straps to install in a vehicle. Now, we opted to use the RAM ProMaster City mounting kit, which is a kit with vehicle-specific brackets and hardware to tie into existing holes and mounting locations on the van. So in this case, we have 2 plates that tie into the D-ring locations on the floor, and then we just had to put a couple of plus nuts into existing holes up here, and then an existing threaded mounting point up front to make installation super simple. Now, the great thing about weatherguard products is they do have a lifetime warranty on all their van equipment, so if anything happens, there's any defects in this shelf for the life of the vehicle, they're going to fix it and take care of you. Now, there are endless ways to really make this shelf work for your trade, including various accessories like shelf doors and drawers and cabinets and hooks and bins and so many different accessories that you can really use to outfit this shelf to make it work for your particular trade. Now, if you're looking for this shelf or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.